Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power to the fixture at the switch, and then the breaker so you remove risk of shock. This protects you and the wiring. Put on gloves and set a sturdy ladder under the spotlight so you can reach it comfortably. Check the replacement bulb type and wattage now so you avoid damage. Once confirmed, loosen any trim or screws holding the lens so you can access the bulb without forcing parts. Now remove the trim or glass cover by supporting it with one hand while you loosen screws or clips. This prevents drops. You should feel how the bulb detaches. Twist counterclockwise for screw bases or depress and turn for bayonet types. Pull straight out for pin bases. Inspect the socket and wires for discoloration or looseness because bad contacts cause flicker. If you see damage, stop and address that before installing the new bulb. Insert the new bulb with a soft cloth or gloves, seating it firmly in the socket to ensure full contact. You avoid oils on the glass that shorten life. Refit the trim or lens, tightening screws evenly so the seal is flush, then restore power at the breaker and switch the light on. If it doesn't light or it flickers, make sure the bulb is fully seated and the breaker is on. If problems persist, check socket contacts and replace the fixture or call an electrician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.